Hello viewers. Welcome back. Hope you liked the previous videos. In this video, we are going to model a overhead crane, I-section, simply supported beam and perform analysis for it in Autodesk Fusion 360. Here we go. We are in the design workspace. Let's select the front plane and click on create a sketch. Click on the front plane for a normal view. Let's select a line and start drawing the I-section. In Fusion, we will have continuous access to the selected profile. As we do, let's draw the construction lines along the x-axis and y-axis. Now, we will give symmetry to the vertical lines with respect to y-axis. And distance between these two be 20 mm. Now, we will give symmetry to the outer horizontal lines with respect to the x-axis. And distance between these two be 100 mm. Let's give distance between these lines as 15 mm. Similarly on the other side. We will constrain the top horizontal lines also with a distance of 15 mm. Now, we will give symmetry to the upper vertical lines with respect to y-axis. Similarly, do it on the lower part. Let's give the width on the top as 50 mm. And the width on the bottom be 55 meters. Click on Finish the sketch. Now, click on Extrude. And select the sketch. The direction be symmetry, so that we will have equal path along the axis. Give the distance as 100 mm. Let's save it as SSB. Now, let's switch to the analysis workspace by clicking on Simulation. Select Static Stress. And click on Create Study. Let's apply the constraints. Select one face and give it as frictionless. And for the other face, the constraint be fixed. Now, it's time to apply the load. Select the top face. And change the force type to remote force. Assuming the weight is 8 kilograms, give the magnitude as 80 Newton. Now, let's verify with the pre-check. And proceed for solution. This is our simulation. We can view the safety factor, stress, displacement, and strain. That's all for today. Hope you have a good day.